What a wonderful day. I've just received my author copies and I'm opening my books. I cannot believe it. I'm opening my books. This is coming from my publisher and these are my author copies. Wow. 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 Wow, somebody give me a knife, I cannot do this. Wow. Wow. This is a wonderful way to end the week together. Friday. What a wonderful Friday. Wow. Oh my gosh. How do I open this? I don't even know how to open this. Oh. How do I open this, guys?
Open it.
How? But now it's not.
Push it back. You see that box here? How do you push it back?
I push it back or I push it this side? How do I push it? Okay, I'm going to end up just doing this because wow! My book! Five author copies! Wow! Guys, my book! I cannot believe I've written a book and I'm holding it. This is my book. You know, never thought in a million times that one day I'll be holding your book that I've written in my hands. I've poured my heart into writing this book, Confidence to Earn, How My Halitosis Almost Ruined My Earning Potential. This is my book. 250 pages. This is the book that I have written. And in this book, I'm talking about the uncomfortable things that we normally don't get to talk about. I talk about the issues that I have gone through, the issues that led me into financial difficulties. I talk about my halitosis and how it almost ruined my earning potential. I talk about my financial difficulties, the emotional turmoil that I have gone through when I was facing foreclosure. I talk about how I managed to face my issues and how I recovered from my financial difficulties. And this book, I've written it so that I can live it and it can be a reminder one day when I'm gone, when I leave this earth, the people that I have interacted with, they will see this as a reminder that I was once here and I've tried to do my best every day to touch someone with financial education. I share here in this book how the steps that I have taken into my financial recovery, and I'm so glad for that first step that I took for that day that I made a decision to start blogging, to share my financial journey. And I'm so glad that I have shared everything with you, everything that I have done to recover financially. I'm so glad that I shared it with you. This is a pinch me moment. It so feels like a dream that today I'm holding this book, and I just want to thank the Money Managers community for the support, for the encouragement, because I believe that if it wasn't because of the community, I would have not written this book today. Thank you to everyone who pre-ordered a copy of this book. I promise you, I'll start delivering the copies soon. And I'm still open to taking pre-orders until the end of this month. Thank you so much. Thank you a million times for your support. This is just so overwhelming that I'm holding this book today, the book that I have written. This girl here from Zao, you've done it. You've written a book. This is... Wow. 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 Thank you. Thank you all.